going on, guys? I'm Garrett with RAS Group. So this is the official launch of our RAS Benchmark shooting challenge, right? So the way this is going to work, we have a bunch of stages. I'm going to walk through them, I'm going to demo them, I'm going to show you exactly kind of what the drills entail, what's allowed, what's not. So first and foremost, this isn't meant to be a grandmaster efficiency test. This is meant to test quite a few fundamentals at the base and the core of your training and give you some different reps at different distances, working, different areas of fundamental focus as you do these. So first and foremost, let's take a look at the target that I have up here. As you can see, I have a standard USPSA target. I have the A zone outlined in a Sharpie. I have a line drawn across the neck area. And I have two lines drawn from the corners of the C zone down with a line connecting them. These are your impact zones: pelvic girdle, center mass, head. For these drills, you do get the entire head box. The A zone is the A zone, and the pelvic girdle is that rough dimensions there. Now, I'm not gonna make you guys show me, a ruler, making sure everything's perfectly straight. Just, don't be a douche, be honorable about it. If you have pelvic girdle lines that are going like that coming out, I'm going to call you on it. But as you can see, standard USPSA target. I do have my tape measure drawn out all the way from what would be 1 all the way out to 25. Okay? That is a requirement. No yardage marking, none of that. Use a tape measure. I need to be able to see it. So we're going to dive right into it. You get 2 attempts at every stage. You get 2 mulligans at every stage. You can attempt this unlimited amounts of times per day. We have 2 set standards. There is advanced and there is passing. At the start of your video submission, if you want to try to earn one of the patches, you need to tell me which one you're going for. If you have it in your head that you're going to achieve this at the advanced kind of benchmark, then you need to claim that. And there will be no switching halfway through the run of, sorry, I didn't pass this one stage at advanced, but I'm still in the running to pass it at the passing stage. No, it's not how it works. Call your shot. If you believe that you have the skill and ability and means to be able to pass this at the advanced standard, do it. Call it. Claim it. I hope you do. I'm looking to give away as many patches as humanly possible, but people are going to earn them in the process. So, without further ado, let's get to shooting. Alright guys, so I know you just saw the intro. Now we're going to go through the actual stages of the drills. First one's going to be at 3 yards, and I am reading my notes off my phone, so bear with me. But 3 yards, 2 to the body, 1 to the head. Passing time is going to be a 1.60, 1.60. The advanced benchmark time is going to be a 1.25. So, pretty spicy. I believe it's doable. Let's check it out. Okay, in frame, cool. And the start position is whatever you want, except your hands on the gun. Can't do this. Hands below gun, right? Okay, so that was in a 117. Show you the hits. Two to the chest, 1 to the head. Mark those. And you do need to mark your hits in between every stage so that I don't get confused and I don't, think that you're trying to count a hit that was already counted for a previous run. So, but that's stage number 1. Alright guys, so now at the second stage is going to be at 5 yards. This is kind of what we call our RAS drill. And it's draw, 5 to the A zone, slide lock reload, 3 to the pelvis, 2 to the head. Passing time for this is going to be 6.5 seconds. Advanced time is going to be 5.5 seconds. So we're gonna dive right into that. Real quick, I'm gonna show you the target. Well, actually my hits are marked. I'll show you the target afterwards. I only ran one other string. So this is gonna be at 15 feet right here. Cool. So I need one mag of 5. Sorry, one mag of 4. Okay. Nothing super crazy on that run, guys. So that was in a 525 right there. Reload was super slow. Okay, and as you see, we have 2 hits to the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the body, and we have 1, 2, and 3. I did stack these shots right here just in case you guys were interested. So that's definitively 2 grease rings. Total time 5:25. Passed. All right, guys. This next one is 7 yards, 1 to the pelvis, 1 to the head. It's going to be 2.25 seconds to pass and 1.50 for the advanced benchmark. So 7 yards, 1 to the pelvis, 1 to the head, 1.5 or less if you are going for advanced, 2.25 or less if you are going for passing. So let me find 21 feet right here. And frame, cool. Okay, so that was in a 1.62, so I need to really ramp that up. Again, you get 2 chances per stage. This is going to be one of mine. There it is. And a 149. Go up and check hits. So as you can see, I do have my 2 head box hits because I had to use a second chance. And I do have my 2 hits down here to the pelvic girdle. Check out the next stage. Alright guys, so now we are on to the 4th stage of the RAS benchmarks, and this is going to be 10 yards, draw, 2 to the head box, like I said before, and from what you've seen, you get the entire head box, right? So the advanced benchmark is going to be a 175, and the passing benchmark is going to be a 250. So pretty reasonable there, I think. See how we do. Okay, you can see there, time is a 170. Walk up and check hits. There we are. Okay, that is the 10-yard stage. Alright guys, so now we're out at 15 yards. The stage for this is going to be 3 rounds to the pelvic girdle, a passing time of 3.25, and an advanced time of 2.5. So obviously we're going for the 2.5 benchmark on this run. See how we do. Okay. That was a little bit slower and a 234, but I feel really good about those hits. Let's walk forward and check. Okay, so we have line breaker counts. There we are. That was the 15-yard stage of the RAS standards. I'm sorry, RAS benchmarks, if you will. Alright guys, so now we're at the 20-yard portion of the RAS benchmarks, and 20 yards is going to be 1 to the chest, slide lock reload 1 to the head. An advanced time for this is going to be 3.75. A passing time for this is going to be 4.75. So second difference, obviously we're going for the advanced, so I need to do this in a 3.75. That was in a 343. Let's go down and check hits. Okay. So as you can see, we have our one headshot. Dead center. Can you see that right there? Yeah, you can. Cool. All right, so that is the 20-yard standard of the RAS benchmarks. Okay, guys, so this is the 25-yard, I guess, string for the RAS benchmarks, and this is going to be 2 to the chest, 1 to the head, passing time of 4 seconds, and an advanced time of 3 seconds. So we're going to obviously be going for that 3-second mark. All hits are marked down there. Total of 3 rounds. Remember, you get 2 mulligans, 2 chances per stage. Let's see how we do. Right here, I'm in frame. Cool. All right, here we go. Okay, that was in a 259. Let's see how we did. Okay, so right here we have our 2 to the body, and we have our 1 head box shot right there stacked with that other one. All right, that's the 25-yard string. Now the grand finale, 30 yards. All right, guys, last string of the RAS benchmarks is at 30 yards. It's going to be 1 shot to the body and a time of 2 seconds for advanced, 3.5 to pass. See how we do. Okay, that was in a 143. I can see from down here that it's out. So it's just slightly to the right. Try again. Okay, that one felt real good. That was in a 167. Walk down, check hits. Okay, and that good hit at 30 yards was right here on the corner of the A. That was the one I had out, and overall that is an advanced passing run at the RAS Benchmarks. I encourage you guys to all go try it. Start by passing it, work up your skill level, get to the advanced portion. Ultimately, this is just a benchmark. It's not a standard. This is a way for you to track your progress, see where you're at, just so you can get better from here. You guys stay safe, stay trained, stay rad. We'll be back with the next one.